Hey, welcome to the show, my math ninjas. I have some subtraction here dealing with fractions. Oh, we love fractions. Yes, I like to eat pizza, so I have to use fractions all the time. And I use my chopper whoosh, 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 to do the fractions. Oh, I love it. Me too. All right. Hey, we're always having fun on this channel. If you'd like to try some of these problems on your own, write them down on a piece of paper. Hit the pause button while you're doing that. When you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. Are you guys ready to do it? Yeah, we're ready to do it. Okay, all right, Math Ninjas, are you ready? Oh, okay, let's go. All right, now, the secret to doing subtraction with fractions is you check the denominator right away. What's the denominator? It's this number right here, Math Ninja. It is the bottom number. This is the numerator, and this is the denominator. Can you say denominator? Denominator. Oh, I like the sound of that. I am the denominator. Watch out for me. Oh, Math Ninja. Yes, we're doing math right now. Oh, okay. So basically, if the denominators are the same, that's what the answer, the denominator will be the same in the answer. Can you show me an example? Yes, Math Ninja, I can do that. So basically, I'm going to put an equal sign right here, and I'm going to put the denominator is 10 here, the denominator over here is 10, so it's going to be 10 in our answer. So I'm going to put 10 right here. And then 7 minus 2. What is 7 minus 2? 5. Very good. So I put 5 right here. So this would be 5/10. Now, I'm not sure where you are in the level of your class, but you can even simplify that even more. Are you kidding me? Yes. So you could simplify that. Basically, you're saying, what is 10 divided by 5? 2. That's right. So that would be a half. 1 over 2. All right. So let's go on to the next one right here. All right. So denominators are the same. So this would be a 9. And then 6 minus 2 equals 4. That's right, Math Ninja, 4. And I can't simplify that anymore. Hey, before I go any farther, what I want to do is kind of explain how I got a half from 5/10. So here's 5/10. I can divide a 5 from here and a 5 from here. Whatever I do with the numerator, I have to do the same thing with the denominator. So I can divide 5 here and 5 here. So 5 divided by 5 would equal 1, and 10 divided by 5 would equal 2. A 2-2. All right. Okay, let's get back right into the action, my math ninjas. Yeah, yeah. All right, let's go ahead. Right here, denominators are the same. So I put a 6 right here, and then I subtract the numerators. 4 minus 3 equals 1. Let's go on here. What happens here? Both of the denominators are the same, aren't they? Yeah. So just write down 12. Put a line over there. Subtract 7 minus 4 equals 3. All right. Now, do you notice anything right here? I have a 3 here and a 12 here. Now, like I said, I'm not sure where you are in the class. This would be acceptable answer, but I can simplify that because I can divide a 3 from a 3, and I can also take 12 divided by 3. So if I divide here a 3 and divide there a 3, I would get 3 divided by 3 equals 1, and 12 divided by 3 equals a fourth. Now, I understand what a fourth is. Sometimes it's kind of hard to understand what 3/12 is. Again, we are doing that, so we are just simplifying that down. Not all problems can be simplified. I can't simplify 1/6 or 4/9, okay? All right, let's go on. So you're going to become experts as time goes on. But again, 3/12 would be acceptable, but this is the simplified answer. All right, my math ninjas. 8 is the denominator. They're both the same. And 6 minus 4 equals 2. Again, you're looking at this answer. Yeah, I can take a 2, divide a 2 out of here, and a 2 out of here. Remember, you have to do the same thing that you do in the numerator as the denominator. You can't switch it around. You can't take a 2 out of here and a 5 out of there, all right? It has to be the exact same for it to work. That's the secret to that. So I can divide a 2 here, and a 2 here. I like that song that goes, the Tootie Tot Twos. You hear the Tootie Tot 2 or something like that? That's a cool song. All right, 2 divided by 2 equals 1. 8 divided by 2, what is it? 4. Again, I can understand what 1/4 is. I have a visual representation of what 1/4 is a little better than 2/8. And we might come back to that. I might do a little drawing of what this means right here. Let's go on to this one. 3 is the denominator, and 3 minus 1 equals 2. Can't be simplified. Okay, let's go back to this one here. So here, I'm just going to do a little candy bar. Oh, I like Hershey's chocolate candy bars. And I'm going to make 2/8. All right, so that would mean I would have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Do you agree that that is 8 right here? This is the fraction 2/8. So I need to shade in 2 parts here. All right. There's 1 and 2. Okay. Now, I'm going to move this over here just so you can see this a little better. I'm going to make that exact same candy bar right here. I know, I got a little messed up right here. And now I'm going to divide it into 4s. So here's 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to shade in one of those 4s because this is 1/4. Do you see how this fraction, this graph right here, this fraction is the same as this? All right, it's the same amount. If I were to take out 2/8 or I take out 1/4, it's the same. So I would be eating the same amount right there. So 2/8 equals 1/4. It's the same amount. Just kind of cut up in a little more pieces right there. You know, I'm starting to get a little hungry for chocolate. How about you, Math Ninjas? Oh, we love chocolate. We also love cookies. Hey, chocolate chip cookies is our favorite. Yeah, give me a high five. Whoosh. Oh, we got to work on high fives. Hey, thanks a lot for joining our show today. Check out our other videos. Also, we got other channels. Are you serious? You have other channels? Yeah, I have another learning channel. Oh, and I have also a channel with an outdoor channel that you can do that I show fishing and all kinds of archery and even a little bit of karate. Karate? Oh, yes, I like karate. Oh, hi-ya! All right, take it easy, guys. All right, and I hope you all have a great day. Be safe out there, have fun, and we'll talk to you later. Adios, goodbye.